Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app, or popularly known as iDoFish Chinese shopping app. If you are the type that have been using the app for a very long time, or you are new to the app, but you are finding it difficult to make payment to seller on Xianyu shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to use the Pay for Me service and ask a friend to make payment for you on Xianyu app using any means of payment available, whether bank card, Alipay, or WeChat wallet. They can use it to pay for your goods on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Xianyu or iDoFish shopping app. After open up the app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead. Let's say, for instance, I'm looking for someone to pay for me for this particular laptop right here. What you want to do here is to click on the laptop link, and it's going to open in a new tab. Click on chat message with them right here. Now here, you want to simply ask a basic question. You can chat with the seller from this particular section right here. Now, when you are done, you can see my message was sent to this particular store right here. Now, when you are done chatting with the store, then the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and so when you are done chatting with the store and you are ready to make payment and you find it difficult to pay, maybe because you do not have any means of payment available right there, but you have a friend that can do the payment for you, all you have to do is to make sure you click on here, just like you want to place order. Then when you click on that, then allow it to load up, then take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed. Then it's going to link and connect the Alipay account. Now, once it connects to Alipay account, but for the fact that you do not have a means of payment right here, then you have different options right here. Now, what you want to do right here is to click on here. You see more payment options right here. Then for you to use Pay for Me Friends options, go ahead and click on here. Then you have different options right here. You have Pay for Me Friend on WeChat. Then you have Pay for Me Friend for bank. You have Pay for Me Friend on Alipay and the likes right here. You have about 4 different Pay for Me options. So if, for instance, you want to send Pay for Me to a friend on WeChat, select on WeChat right here. So when you select on WeChat, then this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you copy this particular. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to the WeChat. Copy this link right here and send it to the person that will make the payment, and they will easily make payment of this particular amount on your behalf in your Xianyu app. After the payment is done successful, you can from here track your goods on your Xianyu app to see if the supplier have sent and the movement on logistic about the goods. Is that simple. So this is what I have for you as far as how to use Pay for Me option to make payment for your goods on Xianyu or iDoFish Chinese shopping app. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Xianyu, Taoba, Pinduoduo, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to subscribe to the channel. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688, Taoba, or Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to transfer from one Alipay to another Alipay account or your WeChat, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.